It's Sam here again with Secrets from Sam. This is part 2 of caulking the door shut. Please remember to subscribe so I can get some money, and comment if you have any questions or ideas. So you can watch my other video about the secrets for the caulk gun, so I'm not going to go over that here again, but I would recommend to watch that video. So I've cleaned the surface. You can maybe see that's dirty, and I've dried it off, and now we're going to caulk. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you, this is a tip coming up, is when you're caulking something like this kind of job and using the temporary, you'll see, even though I cleaned it, that I don't know if you can see in there or not, but there's a little something, little piece of a tree, a seed in that crack. You know, some people they take the time to get that out of there, but you know, I spent like a second, you know, or two, and you know, wiped it down and it didn't come out. And so the other tip is, just if you're sealing it, just leave that there. You know, there's no reason to, you know, worry about that. All right, so we're gonna see if I can, I don't know, that's gonna work. Oh man, a wasp is attacking me right now. I'm gonna caulk this. I think I can't do it with one hand, so I'll be back.